Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a template in Docusign. Uploading a template lets us save time by reusing documents for future agreements. Let's start on the Docusign dashboard. We go to Templates. You can find templates in the upper left part of the page. Just click this. Now click Show Create Template. Once we have our template, we enter the template name. For example, we can use Notary Template for notary purposes. After that, we have flow join sample documents. For example, this could be a name and a role. Let's say, lawyer. If all the information looks good, just click Next, Add Fields. Here, we will see the signature. Let's make it bigger, your signature. Once we have the name, we just need to click the name for the full name. We can also add initials here, and then the full name again. Let's design this section. Here, we can add a date, the state, and the country or company name. Let's put the name here because we will be there. We can also add some checkboxes here. Once we're done with that, just click Save and Close. After saving, we now have a notary template that can be used whenever we have a customer's job to notarize. With the template saved, we can quickly send documents without starting from scratch. Each time we need this, it will be ready to use.